Have you ever walked into a dealership excited to get a new car, only to get stuck on the big question, should I lease it or should I finance it? It's a decision almost every driver faces, and the answer isn't always clear. The truth is, both options have pros and cons, and the right choice depends on your lifestyle, your money situation, and how you think about cars. So let's break it down. Leasing a car is kind of like renting. You pay for the right to drive it for a set period, usually 2 to 3 years, and then you return it. The biggest benefit? Lower monthly payments compared to financing. For example, imagine a car that costs $30,000. If you lease it, your monthly payment might be around $300, while financing the same car could cost $500 or more each month. With leasing, you often get to drive a newer car with the latest features, and when the lease ends, you can simply swap it out for another one. It's great for people who love driving something new every few years and don't want to worry about long-term maintenance. But here's the catch: you don't own the car. At the end of the lease, you have nothing to show for all the money you paid, and there are usually mileage limits and fees if you go over them. Now let's talk about financing. When you finance, you're taking out a loan to buy the car, and once the loan is paid off, the car is yours. Using the same example, you might pay $500 a month for 5 or 6 years, but after that, you own the car outright. That means you can drive it payment-free for years to come. You can customize it, drive it as much as you want, and even resell it later to recover some of your money. The downside: cars lose value quickly, and you're the one responsible for repairs and maintenance once the warranty runs out. So which one is better? Leasing is best if you want lower payments, like having the latest technology, and don't mind always having a car payment. Financing is better if you plan to keep your car for a long time, want to build equity, and eventually enjoy years without a car loan hanging over you. At the end of the day, it comes down to this: do you want to treat your car like a long-term investment you'll own, or like a short-term subscription where you're always driving something fresh? So let me ask you, if you had to choose today, would you lease a car for the lower monthly payments and flexibility, or finance one so you can eventually own it outright? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see which side most people are on.